Hello everyone. If you've ever felt like your flexibility, or rather lack thereof, is holding you back from the activities that you want to do and the life you want to lead, then you are in the right place, because today I'm inviting you to join me for both a workshop and a program that will help you improve your flexibility fast. First up is the Focusing on Flexibility workshop. In this special event, we're going to explore different ways of moving and stretching not only the body, but the mind as well, in order to help you activate and improve your flexibility faster than ever before. Next up is the Flexibility Fix. This complete program includes the Focusing on Flexibility workshop, and it also includes a special 28-day challenge full of exclusive classes and curated practices to help you put into practice all of the concepts covered in the workshop and help you along your flexibility journey. You can find the links to sign up for both the workshop and the program in the description box of this video, and I would love to see you there so that together we can get you the flexibility that you need and deserve for everything you do in life to move and feel better.